Okay, folks, here we are, Saturday, the 25th of July, 2026. And we are, here, of course, here in Frank's shop, about getting ready to head out around. Frank's got several more things done on his El Camino, but it's up in the air. And he's got this little project car in right now. He's got to get electric motor, actuator, whatever this thing is, going on that. He's spiffing it up a little bit and he's going to sell it. He may have to get a front tire. He's deciding on whether he's going to get two front tires for it or not. I would go ahead and get two, but that's not up to me to say. He's been working on the top, getting it sort of squared away a little bit, and go from there. So what we're going to be doing, we're going to have a big second half of the summer. We haven't uploaded much stuff here over the last little bit, but we have got a massive amount of stuff to do. Right now we're fixing to cook our Johnsonville sausage patties. I like them much better than the Swiss Premium or the other ones that we find, Kroger, Variety, or whatever. We're going to cook them in the air fryer. We've gotten where we're using 2 of these parchment paper liners. That keeps that grease from making a mess everywhere, and it cooks them up very well. We've got a box from Amazon that we've got several things in that we've got to unbox, review, and get in the air or get going on. Shop cat is sleeping soundly on one of the seats that came out of the 98 Express van. We've got another package coming from Amazon today that we've got to open up and unbox and do reviews on. We're going to have to do a little work on this, probably air conditioning on the 2000 and the 98. We'll be reviewing some products from that. We have at least two yellow jacket nests we're going to eliminate today. So that could be a comedy video with me running, screaming, and hollering, getting stung by little demon yellow jackets. But we'll see how that goes. But right now we're going to stick these sausages in, get them cooking. We'll go ahead and cut and open this up and let you see what all we got in there, but we're not going to unbox anything right now. So follow along, and we'll be getting you some stuff. We'll get this one uploaded for today. We'll be getting a bunch of stuff uploaded, hopefully over the weekend and next week. And we cook our little sausages at 375. And we go ahead and stick them in at preheat. And it usually takes about 10 minutes for me to get them as done as I like. I usually turn them and I poke them and to drain as much of that fat out of them as I can. I poke them with a fork or a knife or whatever and get as much fat out. And then we'll also use paper towels to soak as much fat out of them as we can. And we'll show you what they look like when they get finished. We will use our little toaster over here, our little $6.99 Walmart toaster, to toast us some bread for our sausage sandwiches for breakfast. So let's cut this box open. We got a drone. We got a bunch of stuff in here. We got a bunch of stuff coming in the other box today, tomorrow, and Monday. Yeah, we have to get our FAA Part 107 certification renewed. We're going to try to do that today or tomorrow. We're going to try to take the soles, those rubber soles, and put them on the bottom of these Skechers, see how that works out. And since DJI does not give you a charger anymore, they may have a cable in there, but they don't give you a charger anymore. We bought a 100-watt charger with fast charging cables for it. So we'll be reviewing all of this stuff. We'll be unboxing this stuff, but probably not until tomorrow. I'm not sure. We've got a lot we've got to get done. And so not sure how the schedule is going to work out. But yeah, this is a much more advanced than, and we've got this Phantom 4 Pro and the Phantom 4 Pro Plus for sale. They've got excellent parts. The cameras are still great. They fly good. They just don't transmit their location. But someone that's still using and has updated their Phantom 4s These are excellent drones with controllers. One it only has one battery that's still functioning, but they're excellent drones. They're for sale. Those 64 SS hubcaps came off a 64 SS Chevelle 327 air conditioning car. It came off of that car in 1968. These hubcaps have not been run in 58 years, folks. And they're for sale. Want $350 for them. I'm asking $800 for those two drones. It should be a good deal. Both of those should be good deals for people. Okay, we need to see how our sausage is coming along. It's somewhat browning up right nicely. We're going to be flipping them shortly. Let them get a little bit more done. We'll be flipping them and poking them for the fat to drain out, and be getting ready for breakfast. So follow along. We've got a lot to do. Yeah, right now it's 72 degrees, going to 84, back down to about 72 again tonight. It is 6 o'clock. Saturday morning, the 25th of July. Yes, we're also going to try to get our 5-fish V6 back in the water next week, hopefully, and hopefully get where we can control it. It's an excellent underwater drone, submersible, whatever you want to call it, with very good features. 300-foot tether. It's an actual deep sea drone. So maybe we'll get where we can learn how to use it. And like I said, we're practicing on our little piano keyboard. We have just got a ton of stuff we're doing. So y'all follow along and keep up with with everything we're up to. Okay, we pulled those out after about 12 minutes actually. And we have poked them with a fork. You can see the fat coming up. We flipped them and poked the other side. We're going to take these paper towels, this double paper towel, and we're going to mash and smash as much of that grease and fat as we can get out of them. And then we'll have sausage sandwiches for breakfast. Okay, look at all of this grease and fat that we've gotten out of these. There's still some, you see it. We'll get some more out of that before we start eating them. Let them cool, get some more out. We've got to go over and check on our fence project as well. I did put a couple of pictures of it on here. We'll be checking that out today and getting some other video. So please like, share, and subscribe, and follow along to see what we get into today.